I've been on 10 days winning streak and I've made over $70,000 in this period. It's amazing. Just check out my trades. All my trades have been hitting, take profit, take profit. I even currently have this trade called out on the channel and people are still in on that trade and they're eating really good. You can see take profit here, take profit, take profit, take profit, take profit. Even at this stage now, I think if I cough, I'm going to take profit still. So it's an amazing time here. I traveled to Dubai and I've not been so active on this channel. So today I thought of how about I do a trade breakdown, what I've been making me to hit profit back to back, and I get to share that with you. I think it's about time for me to do a review on my trading desk, what I'll be going on back to back. Let's head straight into this video. And if it's your first time, please make sure you smash that subscribe button and like this video if it's not your first time, so that this video can be recommended to other people. Let's get straight into the video. Alright guys, I'm done. Let me go check out the shoe I'm to put on. Okay, so here's my shoe room. I think the better shoes should be this one. This match, basically, I just test out things. Oh, let me use Timberland. Timberland. How you got this Timberland for me? Ever since I've not worn it, so I saw the trend, and now I'm scared to even wear the Timberland. What do you think how many cuts is? Let me just match it to see if it goes with this outfit. Bonner boy. But nice. But I know this will definitely feel. Let me get my socks. Always on Nike socks. Nike. Yeah. And how you see it. See it right here. So I just got back from Dubai and just really been a very fascinating experiences. And that's where I got to. Like shopping in Dubai is really interesting. Made new friends, traded there, made crazy more money, and I'm working on something for the Dubai community too as well. So guys, you better stay tuned. And again, when a friend of mine in Dubai got me this gift. I mean, I think it's a bag. I'm not sure. It's either between a bag or maybe classy stuff, but from Gucci from Dubai Mall. Check the price. Interesting. That's 4,300 dirhams. That's around $1,200. This gift. So let's unbox it. Come closer. Let's unbox. The wrapping. So nice. I think. Yeah. Smell. It smells so nice. Wow. Cross bag. Interesting. Amazing. This is from the Gucci store in Dubai Mall. Wow. It's leather fuse. Thanks, man. Thanks, I appreciate it. It's so quality. Come closer, see the head. It looks like the Medusa head. But this is Gucci, not Versace. Nice. I love this. I think it should match with this outfit. Yeah, shit. Yeah, slick. Yeah. Thanks, man. So, shoelaces, do that real quick, and then head straight to the trading station where I show you guys how I'll be taking this profit back to back. And I'm sure you guys will also be able to learn one or two things from this, and then you also get to take advantage of the move in this month and beyond. All right, so guys, let's go. So I think my guys will just take care of this, and then let me return this one to where they belong. Timberland some other day. So let's head straight to trading. Serious matter. Now, on this week, it's just been back-to-back profit, back-to-back. And one thing that's really helped me is because the market is really not so trending. It's consolidating, and not just that, I spotted it in time that's going to be more of trending, but then we are going to be doing more of buys. So that's what really did help me somewhere around here. But before I come to this week, let me talk a little bit about last week's trades. So for last week, when I immediately landed first in Nigeria, those are my first two trades that I caught, and it was really nice to catch the trade. But so far so good. I've made about 70,000, just as I've said, $70,000. The simple thing is, first, I always love to identify what this week trend currently is. So far so good. GU has been on an uptrending market if you start from the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, we've been seeing consecutive higher highs, higher lows, higher high, higher lows, and this is what we've been seeing right on the daily. So if I go to 4-hour time frame, same thing. Basic long candles are usually very bullish, while the bearish ones are less bearish. So hence I see more bullish force, and then I get in. If I see a potential that market is about to make a reversal, once it has dipped a bit, it's about to make a reversal at this bottom here, then I just take an opportunity to ride it straight up. And there's something that I've been doing back to back. I don't just take this trade alone, I also send it to the group. So let me show you some things that this week. So these are Telegram channel. Today, you see, I sent this trade. I just told them to tighten their stop. One of the most important thing for me is not just taking the trade, is also making sure I manage it for everyone too in the team. So you can see from where I've started, I've been getting into really nice opportunities, and I've also been sending signals from all different pairs. So I just want to start. Let me start from here. So this was one of my first opportunity here, where I was using 5 standard lot size, 2 standard lot. I know I later doubled down with 10 standard lot size, and this trade really went in my favor. So here where trade started going on, and here I broke even already. You can see stop loss right above my entries. All right, stop loss above my entries. You keep going and you still keep seeing my other GBP. Just focus on GBP because I will trade GBP. These other signals are the ones I drop on Monday, where I have a more larger audience that are requesting for me to do analysis across other diverse pairs. So here again I say sell now, and then we did make profit off of that. On that sell, this was the profit. All right, so it's just been back to back. This is a buy signal that I said buy now. This is the stop loss, and then let's see the later. So this is the buy. At some point I just told them to tighten the stop here. At some point I just say cash out. Here again another buy signal. Like that. So how am I able to get these signals, which is the most important question you really want answers to right now, is number one, first I look out for levels. So let me just use one as an example. Let me go on a plain chart and do a proper analysis. So I just held on to this point, click on capital.com. Everything I have, let me clear it off, remove all drawings. Okay, good. So the first thing I love to do, I love to go on the 4-hour time frame because I'm a day trader. So being a day trader, it allows me to catch tiny moves during London and New Year sessions, and I get to close out during New Year sessions, and I call it a day. All right. So the first thing when I wake up, I come to 4-hour time frame. First, what is the trend? The trend, obviously, from this point is a buy trend, correct? So market is doing, this is a low, this is a high, this is a higher low, this is a higher high, and this is a higher low. All right, so with this one I already know we are doing an uptrending, we're in an uptrending situation because 4 hours says so. So the next thing I want to do, I just want to take my trend lines, mark it out from the low, and make sure it touches the other higher lows. So that's a trend line. And the next thing I love to do again is to just bring out my psychological levels, which is your horizontal line. Look for a key number that I know price will definitely touch off of. So first one is 1.27500. Yeah, that's the closest one to my point of entry. Then from there, I'll just calculate 50 pips off of that level. From here, 50 pips. So from there, it should be 1.27. 1.2700. 1.2700. So it should be 50 pips far from apart from each other rather. So from here to here, it should be 50 pips. Right there, 50. All right. So that's how to check whether you're correct or not. So to take it up again, I want to add another 50 pips to this one. It's going to be 1.2800, which you guys, most of you guys have been on my channel for so long. You know these concepts already. Okay. So I just tap 800, which is the level where we are at now. So the next question you want to ask is, what do you think market will likely do from here? I'm just going to give you a prediction, and you come back to check this on a later date, or when this video will probably be uploaded. This would have already played out because we're about to have NFP. Today is Friday, first Friday of the month. Obviously, all traders know that it's NFP time. So from here, the reason why we are buying right now is because we have seen consecutive touches off of these zones, and there's another touch here on this trend line. Boom. So here we already went in for long time. From here we already went in from long somewhere around, I think somewhere around where okay, this is for 1 hour. Went long here. Now stop is right now here. We are targeting really high because we're expecting that price continue going up. So for those who are in on this trade, from the time I call this trade, it should be up about 7 pip or 8 pip profit. Okay, but the high we have ever gotten to, we've gotten to all-time high when I call this trade, we've gotten to 12 pip profit. All right, so if you just compare that trade now with what I called here, you'll be able to tell that this is it. Maybe this is where I gave this stop loss adjustment. This is when I called the trade, and this was the stop loss, and then this is where we are right now when I last shared. But this is the current market price. Okay, whenever I see prices close to psychological level and there's a trend line bounce right there and I see chart patterns, the chart pattern I see here now, see, look at this bottom. Let me eliminate this first. And you see this chart pattern, it gives a double bottom. This serves as continuation for me anytime I see it on top of a trend line in an uptrending market. So continuation, that's a long for me. So see these two, lot of triple bottom touches. See bounces off. Now let me just show you simple continuation or reversal chart pattern. Let me just show you reversal chart pattern first. Reversal chart patterns are basically head and shoulder, double top, triple tops, rising wedge and falling wedge. These are the basic ones. So let me just shed more light. See here, we have head and shoulders. Opposite of head and shoulder is inverse, so just know that this one and this one is the same. Double top, double bottom is the opposite. Okay, and we have triple bottom. Opposite of it is triple tops, rising wedge and falling wedge, opposite again. So the one I focus a lot more on is double top and double bottom. They happen so often on GBP. As you can see, this is the patterns. Anytime you see this pattern in uptrending markets, boom, 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 boom. So that's how I was able to make these much informed decisions at this level. All right, so anytime I see that it's confirmed, triple top confirmed, from here I see a candlestick confirmation, I get in for a long. Here I see 1, 2, 3 for a long. All right, yeah, I've seen it here. I see that it also happened here. I went for a long. Here I had a break-even trade here. It was so painful, but here already too. I also see I called this trade on Monday. I didn't take this trade because people wanted me to place trade there and there. So I said, okay, if we must make profit right now, you have to go in on a long right now. So this was for the short that I called, which I showed you guys on the Telegram. That's for this week. Then for last week, we had consecutive up run, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So price kept moving up from here, 1, 2, double bottom again. I'm sure you guys are learning something. All right. So that's how you can consistently do it. And one thing I'd love to also advise you guys is regarding risk management. Anytime you find yourself stuck with a particular account, you're neither moving forward, you're neither growing it, no, you're not blowing it, then just stick to one lot size. For example, just start doing 0.1 or start doing 1 standard, or start putting 5 lots, start doing 10 lots, depending on the account size. So if I'm to advise you, make sure your account balance, if your account balance is from say $10,000 upward, $10,000 to $100,000, be risking say 2 to 3% per trade. All right, and if your account balance is saying $1,000 to about $500, then you want to be doing a little bit higher, because so that you can make tangible profits and sort of things can just make sense, like 5%, 5 to 10%. All right, so thereabout per trade, and be very disciplined, put in the work as you guys are always doing. All right, so I'm happy that I'm back here in Lagos. I might not be staying so long again here in Lagos. I'm just really moving around, you know, the lifestyle of a trader, really moving around, chopping money and just flexing. So guys, that's it. I'll see you guys in another video. If you like this type of content, please kindly subscribe. I want to see your comments in the comment section. How exactly have you been trading? How have you been killing the market back to back? Or is the market killing you? Let me know in the comment section. All right guys, peace out.